Just a bit more about our web store now. You can now go on, you can get a price on your car from We Buy Any Car. You can arrange finance. You can use Compare the Market to get an insurance quote. There's Compare the Breakdown cover, and we've also got Warranty Direct. So you don't have to buy a car off us. You can use all those facilities to hopefully save you money and arrange the things that you need. One thing I will stress, and I'm going to put a link to a firm called vcheck, vcheck.uk. Cars can have very, very bad accidents, and some of them are getting back into the market and they're not recorded on HPI, which is your normal check. vcheck have 4 years of records now through the salvage auctions, and honestly you just would not believe the cars that have been put back on the road and aren't showing up as insurance losses. One in particular I saw yesterday, a red Audi A1. It was written off at 20 miles, but the front was smashed to pieces. It's now for sale from a private seller, and some of these vehicles make it to dealer forecourts, and dealers are obviously unaware. They probably do the regular checks like we do. We've now adopted vcheck as well, just to make sure. But whatever you do, if you're buying a car privately, well, first of all, if you're buying it from a dealer, check the dealer's reviews and the testimonials, how long they've been in business, what kind of cars they sell. Make sure you do your due diligence, check the MOT history, and I always meet that guy coming the other way. Usually he's on his phone though. Yeah, make sure you check the MOT history, that it's been looked after, and that it doesn't fail its MOT every year, which means the owner doesn't really look after it. They don't do any preventative maintenance. They just wait till something's broke or it needs fixing, and those usually are the cars that have been abused. Anyway, I'll finish the test drive there, and when we get back to the garage, I'll just show you how to program the sat nav and also pay your mobile. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our website, ggcars.co.uk. The web store, you can get to it from GG Cars. If you want to go direct, it's bccars.co.uk, and have a look around. All sorts of car related gifts, car related products, valeting products, you name it. We even shoes, the fashion, the lot. If the video's been of any benefit to you, then please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. We put a lot of effort into these videos to sell the cars, but they are helping other people, and we've got viewers from all over the world. So thanks a lot for that, and I'll see you in the next video.